Shards of light fall across the floor, fractured echoes of what was before. I hear the silence scream between the walls, and every whisper fractures as it calls. Time bends around the edges of